Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share something really special with you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Igor Verfisketzel, welcome to Tawaz Technical. Do like, comment, and subscribe.
For the longest time, OnePlus Nord phones have been all about balance, the perfect all-rounders, right? Well, with the brand new Nord 6, OnePlus is basically tearing up that old playbook. So what's this big shift all about? Let's get into it. I want to kick things off with a question for you. How on earth do you fit a power bank inside a phone? I mean, it sounds kinda impossible, doesn't it? Well, stick with me because the answer is our first big clue to understanding this new Nord. And there you have it. The Nord 6 is packing a massive 9000 mAh battery. Just let that sink in for a second. That's literally power bank territory. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. They've crammed all that power in while keeping the phone surprisingly slim at just 8.5 mm. So how'd they pull that off? Okay, so the secret sauce is this new silicon carbon battery tech. And the best way to get your head around it is with this analogy. Imagine a normal battery is like a single-level parking lot. It can only hold so many cars. A silicon carbon battery, that's like building a multi-level parking garage on the very same spot. You can fit way more energy into the exact same physical space. It's a total game changer. So this massive battery kind of brings up a fun question, right? Is this thing a phone or is it a power bank that makes calls? Let's take a look at what having this much juice actually means for you in the real world. Well, the practical benefits are just awesome. We are talking about a phone that can easily, and I mean easily, last 2 full days even if you're a heavy user. And when it finally gives up, the 80-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100 in about 70 minutes. But here's my favorite part. It supports 27-watt reverse charging. You can literally charge your friend's dying phone or even give a little boost to a MacBook. You basically become the hero of your friend group. You see, this battery isn't just a feature, it's a statement. It's a huge signal that the Nord series is carving out a completely new identity for itself. Which brings us to a really important question. With such a massive change in focus, can we even call this a Nord anymore, based on everything we've come to expect from that name? And this slide just lays it out perfectly. The old Nord formula was all about balance, a solid all-rounder. The new Nord 6, it throws that idea right out the window. It's not trying to be everything to everybody anymore. Instead, it's becoming a powerful specialist with a laser-sharp focus on peak performance and gaming. Alright, so if they're calling it a performance specialist, you better believe the hardware has to back that up. And let me tell you, for all the gamers out there, this is where things get really exciting. This phone's performance is all thanks to a seriously powerful trio. At its heart, you've got the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, an absolute beast of a chip. All that power is shown off on a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a crazy fast 165Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. And tying it all together, UFS 4.1 storage, the fastest you can get, which means apps and games load in a blink. But hey, talk is cheap, right? The numbers don't lie. In our test, the Nord 6 was an absolute monster. I mean, look at BGMI, averaging 148 FPS. Wow! Even super demanding games like Genshin Impact and Wuthering Waves ran smoothly at high settings. And here's the crucial part. The temperature stayed completely under control. It never got uncomfortably hot. Oh, and for all you Call of Duty fans, it has native 165 FPS support. That is true flagship level gaming. Look, great hardware is one thing, but if the software can't keep up, what's the point? So let's see how OnePlus's Oxygen OS 16 makes all this powerful hardware even smarter and just better to use. One of my absolute favorite new features is the Flux home screen. It's so clever. You just long press an app icon, expand it, and you can drag its most useful bits, its widgets, right onto your home screen. So for example, you can have the YouTube search bar or your Wi-Fi settings right there, ready to go, without ever opening the full app. It's a little thing that makes a huge difference day to day. And the smart stuff doesn't stop there. The software is packed with useful AI features, like one that can actually fix your blurry photos. There's even a real-time call translator that supports Hindi, which is an awesome addition. But honestly, what really adds long-term value is the update promise. 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security updates. That is excellent support. So we've seen the battery, the performance, the software. Now it's time to bring it all together for the final verdict and answer the big question. Who is this phone actually for? You don't even have to take my word for it. This quote from the company itself sums up their new philosophy perfectly. The message is crystal clear. OnePlus is going all in on performance, battery, and gaming. This isn't just a one-off. This is the new direction. But of course, when you focus this hard on one area, something's got to give. And for the Nord 6, that's the camera. Now don't get me wrong, the main camera takes perfectly good natural looking photos in daylight. But it's the zoom quality where it stumbles a bit. The photos just get a little too over sharpened. It's an expected trade-off really for a phone this focused on performance at this price. And speaking of the price, the Nord 6 starts at 38,999 for the 256GB model. With launch offers and some card discounts, you could even get it for as low as 35,999. Considering the specs you're getting, that is a very competitive price. Which brings us to the most important question of all. With this new specialist identity, who is the ideal person for the OnePlus Nord 6? So who's this for? The answer is pretty clear. If you're a serious mobile gamer, if you're a power user who's just sick of carrying a power bank, or if you're anyone who values raw speed over having the absolute best zoom camera, this phone was literally built for you. And hey, for users in India, there's another great bonus. OnePlus phones can now be serviced at Oppo's huge network of service centers, which makes owning it long-term even easier. And that really leaves us with one final thought to chew on. In a smartphone market that is absolutely jam-packed with all-rounders, OnePlus is making a huge bet on a specialist, hyper-focused approach. The big question is this the new winning formula? I guess only time will tell.